Wait 1 minute, ma. Only 35 members.
Hello, madam.
Samin.
Ma'am, subconscious mind only control our feeling and emotion, ma'am.
Subconscious means like consciously they have mentality and unconsciously also. Okay. In Bengali, Abhisetana.
What, ma'am?
Abhisetana. Don't know in Bengali, Abhisetana.
Don't know, ma'am.
Not heard yet.
Don't know, ma'am. Abhishetana.
আরে অবচেতনা অবচেতনা অবচেতনা
অবচেতনা।
Understood? Abochetana.
অবচেতনা।
yes ma'am
That is a subconscious. I am very better than yours.
Ma'am,
Okay.
firstly you tell Abhishekana. That's
No, because that is a pronouns problem, na? I am Bengali madam.
yes
So,
ma'am
yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay.
ma'am.
Subconscious mind. Here means subconscious means that people have brain like a consciously and unconsciously. Example, one person thinking something. Just you can asking anything means okay. Like some people's like a dull means see means they don't know what they're not unconscious, they're not a conscious. Once you ask him means they will respond 1 minute, they can't respond the answer means again 1 minute. Like that how the mind peoples like a subconscious. Sometimes they will respond, sometimes like a unconscious. Like here first point, subconscious mind is that part of the mind. This subconscious mind is one of the part of the mind that controls all the involuntary actions. They will control. Involuntary means they have the movements like a involuntary. In case see, I am getting angry, I want to scold to students, but I control because that is a involuntary actions. That is a correct. Involuntary actions means controlling.
No, ma'am.
Then nicely listening like that only. Okay. See, please keep mute. That controls all the involuntary actions for me. Some people know controlling. They don't know what immediately I will scold because of I can't control. I'm getting angry. Immediately I will scold to students. Like that means because I can't control that much. Have to the subconscious mind mentality for me. That's why like that only I can't voluntary means immediately I cannot control. Immediately I will start up the whatever coming in my mind. That only I will tell to the outside. And for example, your heartbeat or breathing rate. Example, your heartbeat, you don't know. Means breathing rate, you don't know because of see that is a suddenly increase, suddenly decrease. Breathing rate also suddenly increase, suddenly decrease. That is a see. Now I am taking class. I don't know. Means voluntary. I can't take breathing. Involuntary means my body involuntary taking of the breathing rate. I told to my breathing rate take leave. I am not told because of the breathing rate is the involuntary. I can't tolerate of the breathing rate. That only selfly only they will increase or they will increase continue going up the breathing rate. Heart rate also. In case I will tell my heart, please stop the heart rate means that heart is will stop beat.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes, like this also involuntary means you can't control that heart rate and breathe rate. That normally they'll increase, they'll continually going to the breathe rate and the heart rate. That is the involuntary actions. Like that mind also, they people can't control whatever they're getting in mind. That only they will keep, they will they will showing up the outside. And next point, if you are performing any task intentionally, means necessarily you are intentionally individually you are performing the any task, then your conscious mind takes the charge. Means your conscious mind will take, okay, I will take charge. I'm performing of the this task intentionally. I'm performing. Okay, I will take up the charge about performance. And but if you are performing any task unintentionally, but you are performing it intentionally, suddenly you will, whenever taking up charge, that time your mind will think of the unintentionally. Like this, see, conscious mind is there, unconscious means suddenly I'm speaking nicely 1 minute, suddenly I will changing up the my character. Like this, consciously I will speak unconsciously. Like this also, intentionally they will perform unperforming, and attentionally they will can't perform to the any intentionally. And then you subconscious will be the responsible. Subconscious people only will responsible. Example, I am a subconscious mind. I will perform of the task intentionally. I will take up charge to the about any performing. Suddenly unintentionally only me, I will get to the unintentionally, but I am getting intention attentionally. That is my responsible, because of I am taking up the charge now. That's why I am responsible to the like a subconscious. That is a main subconscious. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next point, your emotions are also controlled in your subconscious mind. That's why you often feel afraid. Sometimes your emotional are also controlled your subconscious. We never getting subconscious mind, like in case whoever have the unconscious unconscious mind like a subconscious, that time what your feelings also you can control. Once feel means you will get afraid. Example, afraid means tomorrow, example, tomorrow I'll get my result. I'm feeling like a something tomorrow result will come. About feeling I'm thinking means we'll start up the afraid. How they get the result, pass or first class, marks, how like that afraid I will think my mind. And within seconds, okay, nothing to happen. I'm writing good I'm writing exam nicely. Okay, I will get marks, I will get the pass. Like that, mind mental also immediately will change, like a feeling like a afraid and sometimes controlling of the feelings, and anxious are down without wanting to experience such feelings. Some people's not experience of the feelings, but they also will get of the anxiety. Some people, one example I will tell, all people's I think so affecting one thing. Means you don't have any problems, so but suddenly you can get to the crying situation. Means you have a good, means you have a mind mentality is a good. Suddenly your mind feeling like a crying feeling. I want to cry. Something happened me, but you don't have problem. But something happened me like that. Your mind will tell you start of the like feeling. Yes or no? Anybody got it like that? Nobody will get. I think so. Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, no, it's waste fellows rangiru. See, means means climate problem, environment problem. That time your situation like you don't have any problem, but some people will tell, "Na, I don't know what happened me. I want to be crying. I want to be something happened me." Like that they will tell, na, some people so because of they don't know what is feeling also, but they will showing like a feeling anxiety also. Some people show like the subconscious. Yes, subconscious people's emotions they will control. They will think about feelings also. They will get the afraid and anxiety also, and they will get of the some feelings like a experience. And the last point, our beliefs and memories are also controlled by our subconscious mind. See, in case I'm seeing my family members, I'm full happy, but I control of the my mind because of my subconscious mind will controlling to the memories and beliefs like it. Here beliefs means I want to in case example any one student I'm believing full, but I can't inform to the anyone. But but I can't tell anyone. I'm controlling of the my mind only. Okay, I believe you. Memories, whatever sweet memories, anything memory, I can't explain to the another. I controlling of the memories in my mind only. Like that subconscious peoples also whatever believe, whatever they have the memories, they will controlling of the particular in the subconscious mind peoples. And therefore, it requires the logical reasoning from the conscious mind for the amendments and present belief. They will control logically, they will think what is going on the present. Means present situation, how to will believe. It means one time you believe, it means the person doing something. That time, next time you can't believe properly. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Some people like lovingly speaking nicely, suddenly they will give the hand. Means that time you can't believe to the any situation time. And present belief consciously, not subconsciously, consciously it can maintaining up the like a belief capacity presently. Here amendment, amendment means minor change. Minor means full, you can change like a minor means small change of the mindset. Means you are already believing one person, the person like doing one mistake, you can't believe again. That small you can change. Means you can change, you can't believe to the any one person. Present whoever good, whoever changing of the abnormal to behavior, otherwise good bad character to good character, that time only you can believe of the present situation. Like that subconscious peoples also they can't believe to the whoever doing any mistake, they will believe only present situation time only. That is a subconscious mind. Understood?
What you said that
Yes,
You
ma'am.
see, okay, you see this picture, subconscious mind picture down, you see, consciously you want, subconsciously you don't want. Means consciously people's I want this, okay, you want like that, they will ask because of they know feelings about the particular other person. But subconscious people's you don't want and I don't want, they will tell like that, I want and I don't want. Like that they have the behavior of the subconscious people's. Next, the unconscious mind. See, I will tell example. You listen. You see this picture. Conscious mind is a iceberg. Iceberg, you know.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Conscious mind means you see that picture. Iceberg. Unconscious means underwater. Iceberg is a conscious. Underwater is a unconscious. Like the differentiation of the. See, iceberg once you touching iceberg means very cool, and drinking water means they will reduce of the thirst. See, like the differentiation having of the unconscious and conscious, and same differentiation have to the iceberg and submerged. Submerged means underwater. Iceberg ice, submerged means water. Same like that unconscious, conscious. Here you see conscious mind is a active thoughts. You see that matter is there. Conscious mind is a active thoughts, and down unconscious mind is a the things buried in our mind that we don't think about. I won't think about anything. Buried means like a I can't think of the anything like a wait, I will tell. Picture where means see the things buried in our minds means hiding underground. What iceberg is a hiding of the underwater, na? Re peoples, see iceberg total hiding of the underwater. You seen only iceberg. You can't see of the underwater. Why means you can't see? Why means iceberg is a covering hiding of the underwater. Same here also unconscious hiding of the total whatever they have the mind. They hiding of the like that have the unconscious. But conscious not hiding. Really they will start of the whatever they have in brain, they will tell to the outside. That is a conscious. Understood differentiation of conscious, unconscious?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, fraud means on psychology scientist. Psychology scientist, fraud compared this person comparing the mind to an iceberg. He comparing. Example, whoever good students means I will compare. Okay, you are like that boy. Because of you are studying a good same, that boy also studying like a. good, like that, comparing to boys, compared to girls, like that na. Same also this fraud, one person is a compared the mind to an iceberg. Mind is one of the iceberg. He believed the conscious mind, whatever whoever conscious mind is there na, that peoples will believe anything, but he is the tip of the iceberg. Why their conscious mind they will believe him is because tip of the iceberg, like iceberg is a good conscious mind, that's why they will believing of the anything. These are the thoughts we are aware of, means they have the good thoughts about aware of me particular thoughts also, they know everything. That is a conscious mind, like a iceberg. Next, submerged. Submerged means like a underwater, submerged part of the iceberg. Yes or no? Underwater is one of the iceberg part, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this water is a related iceberg. That's why underwater also related one part of the iceberg. No iceberg means no water. Iceberg is there means water is there. Like that, submerged part of the iceberg is the unconscious. Like a submerged means underwater. Underwater is the one of the ice part, and that is like a unconscious mind. That desires means like a feelings, that desires and memories that we don't actively think about. They unconscious people, they can't think what is feelings, what is strong feelings, what is mother's feelings, what is father feelings, what about feelings, and memory also they can't think about anything because of unconscious na. That's why they can't think anything because of mind is unconscious, that way they can't think anything about strongs, about memories. That is underwater also what's going on up means iceberg what doing also underwater don't know. Like that's also same underwater just hiding only down only water is there, but main iceberg is important. Conscious also main important. Unconscious they don't know what's going on the in the brain also. Like this have the unconscious mind peoples. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes.
Okay, next last one. Releasing the unconscious. How you can release of the unconscious in an example, one person is a unconscious. How can I will think, how can I will receive of the points about the unconscious mind, how they have behavior means you see na, psychiatric hypnotism, you know, they will finger show on the face, you see my finger, you see my finger, like that they will tell that patient is unconscious, they will release of the main matter. Yes sir, you see na, not hypnotism persons.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Like this, who have the any some problem means they will go and meet to the psychiatrist. The psychiatrist giving like a good comfortable place to the patient. That time the psychiatrist showing like a finger. You see my finger, like you can go. You going deeply going like that. They will tell automatic. They will go unconscious. Whatever doctor will ask questions means immediately they will give response. Like that immediately you can release of the whatever have the unconscious mind. This like that also. Here first point, other psychologists invented ways to help reveal the thoughts in patients unconscious. Psychologists only helpful to the reveal the thoughts of the unconscious mind. What they have the thoughts. This and all who will helpful releasing of the unconscious mind thoughts means only other psychologist peoples only they will relieve the thoughts of the related unconscious mind peoples. Here, Carl Jung, this person name is like a Carl Jung worked alongside Sigmund Freud. This Carl Jung one person also like a one. This person also working like a alongside Sigmund Freud. Doctor side who will work with sub nurse assistants like na. Same also Sigmund Freud side also one worker person Carl Jung. These persons and agreed with the that idea that unconscious mind impacts our behavior. What they have the behavior impacts me totally whatever truth, total what they have the mind, how they're thinking, how they have the ideas total in the unconscious, they will agree. Means because of some people's whatever they're thinking means some people can't agree. But you want to agree about the unconscious mind thoughts. And our behavior means our behavior, what behavior, psychologist behavior, you can agree of the ideas of the unconscious mind. Main he used who here Sigmund Freud. Main Sigmund Freud used word association to help learn more about what might be going on in patient mind. What's patient mind going inside patient mind? What's going on total? He person only helpfully learning about the particular patient mind. Example, my mind something going on, but I am unconscious. I can't explain what I have in my mind. But psychologist is learning about my mindset. What I am thinking, what I have problem, what's going up in my brain, and totally he only like helping learning about my patient, my mind. Like that, psychologist also they will learn about what's going up the patient mind. That is releasing the unconscious. Totally can release of the what's going up the unconscious mind. You see down. I am going to say a word and without passing means without means symbols. Just I will tell to the word. I can't pass means I want pass to the another person. Just I will tell one word only per patient, and you say the first word new that comes into your mind. Means whatever I'm telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. I will tell 1, 2, immediately fast means you are thinking like a normally. In case they will tell 2, 3, 4, that is not a first number. Like this, just you can go and ask. You can tell to this some words to the person. The person you tell that person immediately. You can start with what is first number. Like that, some questions you can ask. They will correctly. They will means okay. These people's like a consciously, and the people are thinking like a normally. That type like that you can got it of the particular points of the about particular unconscious person and conscious person. You see this picture. In sitting, na, that person is a psychologist, like a doctor. Sleeping, na, that is a patient. Backside, who sitting of the doctor, they will ask questions. Some. What is this word? They will just you can tell what is main first word. What I one case what is your name? Like that I will ask. They can't remembering of that much line. They will tell what means what first word what like that you can ask to the patient. The patient whenever giving like answer that related answer you will get to the what's main problem of the what main human psychology like that immediately you can understanding of the releasing of the unconscious mind time. This is a releasing of the unconscious. Anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Tamim, now you have doubt?
No, ma'am. No doubt. Ma'am.
See, example, yours also, your mentality, I will tell. Some people's nicely listening, some people's getting bored. Because of this is a long going up the class, at least 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Your brain is not a conscious properly. Continually listen means you can getting irritating like a stress, na? That's why some people's like unconsciously, okay, ma'am, yes, ma'am, understood, ma'am. But they can't understand, but they will tell to the understood like that. How the some students also conscious mind and unconscious mind. Each person, not a some persons, all persons like that only. Okay. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye. You have any doubts? Next class you can ask.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.